Mwirori wa Kameme TV ni hwaini ungi mwega turacemania thiini wa mitambo ya Kameme na makiria tabarira ya Ngundu na Uikaro ningetwo Njuguna wa Ng'ang'a muthenya wa umuthi ndeguku Murang'a thiini wa kundu guthaka we na maundu maria ndira ruko tukiaria ni maundu maria we uga ni wenda kumenya na kiria wenda kumenya ni mbeca ici twaruta wira na kina na wira na twaciona na njira nditu muno tungicionjorithia ko niku kwina mwihoko ati rucio mbeca ici ni cigatuika mbeca ni njui wa gweta mbeca we mundu wa ruriri ruru no akorwo ukienda kumenya niki twaria ndina njamba njithi muthenya wa umuthi enda ukorwo ukirora kamera iria mwirori wa Kameme TV ndari akuona mugeithie mwirori uria witagwo kuria ukoragwo na niki twaria muthenya wa umuthi nigetha makimenya ni utwaria nake.
Thank you muno mwirori wothe wa Kameme TV amaretwo njitagwo David Irogo na ni operation director wa kambuni yetagwo Everco Real Estate Limited. Turutaga wendia wa kugura mugunda na kwendia within the Murang'a town and environment na within the outskirts ya Murang'a na office itu ikoragwo Mathia Plaza next to Family Bank Murang'a town. Yes.
Not kuga ati mwendagiri wa ndwa Murang'a peke.
Aca.
Ngakienda kumenya ino ni kambuni ikoretwo ho kwa ihinda rigana atia ni maundu mariku makoretwo moho na niki giatumire mukorwo mukirora maundu maingi mugitua haha migunda ni hotenda gukorwo tukiingira.
Gwiciria agenda ya kwenda kuingira field-ini ya na migunda gwiciria kambuni twambiriirie riu ni miaka 3 mithiru and we looked to the market na tukiona kwina a lot of deficiency ya housing cia nyumba na nigetha mundu atuike ni agukorwo agwaka nyumba ri ndungigiaka nyumba handu hatari na gatiri koguo the very first thing ya kwambia commit demand ni undu wa gucaria gatiri na ni kwari na increase in population ya andu marenda tiri nigetha mundu agicarie kiria kanyumba handu ha gwaka riu tukiona ni hari na market nene so much unexploited koguo andu ni maoragia kundu kuria mangienda kugura gatiri nigetha matuike agwaka micii yao na nikio twatikire identify that agenda na gukorwo in line na fulfill the agenda for ya thirikari ya the affordable housing. Yes.
No korwo kigweta affordable housing no haria tukinyitie ni njugite kuria tiri murendia ni ciranyitithanio na gwaki he andu mwena mwiriciria kana muratabania waki wa nyumba ici kana ni ndagura mugunda ndimwire ru cia gwaka ni mukundeithia.
Gwiciria what we done twambiriria kambuni gwe kindu gitagwo demand driven ni twambiriria na kwendia uhondo wa kwendia migunda no our clients twacoka kumenderia ni marendaga kumenya utori twenderia migunda ni mendaga our assistance in terms of development cia nyumba ciao so we have partnered with several companies now we are doing the construction now we will have the links
mundu agura ha mukamwira uri
ni turamolink na shortlisted contractor aria twena tukamera onia gugwakira na we work with them, we make the agreement with them nigetha ku make sure mundu ucio dana exploit na ni agia na benefit ya kuweka biashara na ithui na kuma na ukorwo na wigiririku ucio ni we have gotten a leap of customers go from the trust from us.
Leap ni kuga ni mongererekete
ni kuringana na wira witu mwega.
Hena kiugo tukorwo tukihuthira gia githungu na ikorwo kiri affordable na kaingi tukorwo tukihuthira loosely ingiaria na kiugo gia githungu ni kuga it is relative utiri haria tuga kuga affordable jikuga ni thogora kuma ha nginya haha na nouga nigetha tukinyanire maundu maya ni twabatara broti affordable nigetha tukorwo na nyumba affordable iria thirikari irendera thiini wa big four agenda. Niki kiratuma mukorwo magithura icigo ici na makiria mukiuga ni affordable twari horo igi mbeca cigana.
Gwiciria wa mbere in terms ya market ni twekire market survey na when you're in business you know abaga kumenya ni ta de mundu biashara-ini ri who are my target group na tukiona currently the people who are there they are the middle men people aged from 0 to around 40 years around probably 25 to 40 years ani andu aria makorwo me employed oguo mauma na thukuru na initially migunda yo ikaine ni andu atongu
tuthewe
tuthe mugunda amenyekana na mundu mutongu so that nigetha tuhote gu capture ginya mundu ucio na ni mena increase ya kwenda gukorwo na housing ni twathire tuguka na project cito cia affordable iria wena 500 ni ukuhota gukorwo ukigia na project. After that we have identified company area irahuthira GPS technology ino ni gwaka nyumba na new modest materials area cut cost at a half na nikio turauga we are actually really making our housing very much affordable. Yes.
Mundu akorwo akigwatira muci wake kambuni ona mundu kiumbe agithii kugura mugunda he mundu akoragwo akirora nigetha mundu akorwo akionania gacira karia aragera migunda ino ndenda ituike affordable tondu ya kwina mai migunda ino ndenda ituike affordable tondu ya kwina barabara mathukuru me guku inyui mugithii gu scout kana gwetha migunda iria mukugura nigetha ningi mukorwo mukinengereria mumemba kana mwendi wa kugura mugunda niki mukorwo mukirora
nigukwira mundu rimwe akienda guthie kugura mugunda ni ukoragwo na intention na nitugeragia ku make sure that you meet your customers expectation and demand wa mbere kwi mundu ungigura mugunda akienda gwaka kuri mundu urenda kugura mugunda akienda gu speculation
ni
gweterera ati bei ne gucenjia
ni gawendia
koguo one of the factors
hari wa kugura arime
the agricultural business land koguo tugithie kumugura ni tukoragwo twikite market survey na tugakorwo twikite analysis ati project ino ri ni turarora those issues. One ni tura project ni gukorwo na infrastructure development ni waki wa barabara iria gukorwo igioka soonest nigetha mundu wa gukorwo akienda residential place ni gukorwo na accessibility ya barabara nginya gwake mucii mundu enda gu speculate once rami yagerera ku bei ahota kuhamba ikorwo na maita makere then in terms ya demand ya area taisi uguo town after devolution there have been a lot of money coming back to the counties koguo ni mararora those areas aria muramenya customer ni makorwo makigura yes
koguo kumana na hau mukamenya ni hamu kugura
tukamenya ni hatu kugura na tukaba of course we make sure that once we do the project we make sure that we have proper roads akoti thondeke we make sure that kwina amenities like water and electricity and all our estate they are serviced with those amenities yes
heja baji they had Nairobi kikundio kiria mugire kuringana na survey yanyu niki kia mukirite mawira maraumire cukuru ni hindi andu ya maraji uturo mundu ya Nairobi arora mbeca iria angifata gukorwo akigura mugunda hakuhi na Nairobi ri akona thogora ucio nduretikania nake no mundu ni atikitie bata wa tiri na mundu ni atikitie ni arenda kugia na mucii wake Murang'a handu haraihu na Nairobi mundu ucio ri no umwire na manama ndenda kurora mundu uri utari Murang'a no atithike na mugunda Murang'a undu ati proximity yake na micii ingi ya bũrũri wa Kenya ni miega
gwiciria ngwenda gukwashua na ngwire now Murang'a is becoming the bedroom of Nairobi and we are forecasting niturona that ni gukorwo na example ya barabara ino already proposed na ni abete inception ya kuma October ya kuma Sagana kuma Keno Sagana Nyeri igukorwo eduo koguo urikoraga mundu urauma Keno kana Murang'a arakinya na ihenya gukira mundu uraikara Rwai kana Kamuru koguo that's why we are actually telling people now Murang'a
Kamuru angikahurana na jam haha we na highway kuma highway haha thika highway koguo it's becoming the bedroom of Nairobi and it's fast track niroka na ihenya muno na nikio and again how we work with our customers nitukoretwo gukaria na wira na gukorwo na arrangement kana metaratara mega ni undu wa accommodate mundu ucio ringi ni hindi andikwo ni hindi umakawira ni tukoragwo na terms of payment at ndurabatara guka na mbeca ciothe uguka wa identify these are project na ithuĩ ni twendaga andu magathii on the ground na mundu akahutia tĩri tondu thaici ni twamenya turia nĩme tutwikite twingi uguka wa identify tugathii tukandikanira kwa akiri no turakuhe terms ya kuriha no kuriha half na visi ingi uriha o kahora upon completion niguo tuga kwa hiyo title deeds koguo kila mundu ndigwiciria kwi mundu tangihota kwionera ka plot thaici yes Murang'a ni nene bũrũri wa Kenya ni munene wina kambuni nyingi muno cia migunda ni thuguri imwe ĩrĩa ĩngĩrĩirwo ni kambuni nyingi muno ni mukoretwo ho miaka 2-3 utiganu wanyu na kambuni ici ingĩ ciothe niki
wa mbere utiganu witu ni out of ni credibility itu built a good name na ritwa riri riukite ni undu wa efficiency and operations gwiciria maundu and we have taken it as a responsibility ya kambuni ta ithu to customer kumwenderia mugunda that you work with the customer kuma o karia mbere ukamwira mugunda nigetha ugurere there are those process iria ciagĩrĩirwo gukorwo ikigererwo ona utambite kugura mugunda one we actually need to have we have expertise in our areas and akina wakiri ukerwo before that you need to do the search probably ya company ukamenya is the company ni genuine registered okorwo ni mugunda utarakwambia ukorwo turakwenderia ni witũ kana ni mugunda ungi wene so we first tell you to do the due diligence ona tutambite gukwenderia mugunda so we work with the customer day in day out day in and day out yes
kirathi giki kia andu arika ritu ngiaria wena kirika giki twi ha gatagati-ini ni kirathi gigacemania na mbeca na onokorwo ti mbeca nyingi ri ni mbeca mundu ucio akayuria atiriri ni ndenda raha ni ndenda ngari ni ndirenda guikara nyumba njega ndirenda kwihumba nyonekana ndi ho maundu mothe ma uriu no mundu ucio ni ikaragwo akona atiriri rucio ri ni ndirabatara gubanga mundu ucio akerwa atiri no ugure tiri wigithie mbeca ni ukendia kana uri ugeka ni ugateithika mundu ungi akamwira aca iga mbeca bengi kou ri gutiri na turi aneme na ki we ndenda ukorwo ukimwira atiriri kiria kingituma kana wihokeku na kumumiriria kumwira ati hari tiri niho hega.
Thank you mono. Gwesiria from the history and from the records. Gwesiria of us not one in the market of the real estate. Ile issue ya migunda. It's the only asset that does not depreciate. No thi ugure ngari kana ikare nyumba kana ugure nguo njega. No nguo eno ndungemekira for the longest time. No wagura mugunda kana wagura mugunda. Uria wagurire tha ici ni uguguteithia next time ukiuga rege you're using for speculation. Wahota gukendia maita matatu makiria wagurite. Koguo no encourage the youth ni wega ko invest na real estate ono gika the survey the current that area ireketwo last the field ya real estate actually koretwo contribute gacunje ga 10 from the GDP the gross domestic product
utonga
wa bururi koguo it's an indicator on a national wide kuona it's a good investment area hari ungeiga mbeca ciaku na ituike cia kumultiply. Yes,
rucio rwa thuguri ino ri ruhana atia makiria ekuma ritho-ini ria kambuni yanyu?
Gweciria it's still unexploited na hen opportunity nene mono thini wa real estate. One, migunda they are scarce. That's one of the characteristics. Na ndirongerereka. But again, vice versa, reverse, at the population has been growing day in, day out. Na nikiona as we talk currently, hen deficit ya 200,000 units annually area itari unmet demand that is current. That one translate 2 million number of household itari already housed. Koguo na do expect ando matige guciarana in day out ciana ni ikoragwo cigiuka. So there is always remain a constant demand ya migunda ni undu wa wingi wa andu na kwenda settlements ya guikara. Yes,
ko ni kuga hari ona mieke mingi ha
hari ona mieke mingi
gi kambuni ri rucio rwanyu muraruona atia ni rugendo muketwo na rwa miaka 3 ndina maniro kwaitwo na morito na makana kuria muga hau ni twatorania no ti kuga haria muri ni mukinyite kana ni mureka uria mwagi uko mwika muico-ini wa kambuni no murabanga atia horo igi mubangire wa rucio rwanyu?
Gwiciria wa mbere gwenda gukwira industry no itu ni koretwo na a lot of challenge na challenge ni gukoretwo na andu aingi turi aneme na one of the areas tugire as the company want to keep our hedge in terms of operation. All our projects tarukone migunda turenda gutua kwendia, we make sure that they're effective, efficient, na to make sure twari na customer we deliver to the latter kuringana na uria twa promisete customer. We actually foreseeing where that to create masionite na ecorona control development. We actually foreseeing where we will have Konza city of Murang'a, we will have where we have Tatu city in Murang'a,
probably not
utete wa Nairobi. So we are foreseeing where probably by 2030 we will have the Murang'a city to be in Murang'a town. Yes,
Murang'a city ndo korwo kirora kamirire yaku ekiugo gyaku kia mwisho na makiria kuri mwirori wa Kameme TV utari wigwa horo wanyu utari wacemania na inyu utari wakuona angienda kugura ri no nginya ke Murang'a mucemania no mwarie na thimu no mucemania thiini wa Facebook no mucemania thiini wa Twitter ni kuku tungicemania na inyu amakiria tungienda kumumenya makiria ri twiki atia?
Mwirori wothe wa Kameme TV ni ngucokeria ngatho ni ndu gukorwo gitwirorera ndakwira ukorwo gutuika wa guka ko invest na ithui twitagwo Everco Real Estate Company tukoragwo Murang'a town next to the Family Bank na guka neto gutirithania na tuna various project tuna project Kafuta etagwo Mountain View Estate tuna project Kabro etagwo Brookview Estate and we have another project in Merira called Couplands Estate. Koguo ukorwo wa guka ukorwo ko invest na ithui na gwenda kwira andu ni matige kurora kambuni iria ithondekete ritu ukana private company iria ukuhota gwika due diligence yaku nigetha avoid gukorwo mbeca ciaku kurio ni turi aneme. Thengio muno.
Everco ni kuga atia na njira nini muno tondu ndina kuria kio Everco ni kuga atia?
Everco ni kuga gitingi kirumu that we are here to stay and we are here to deliver to our promise.
Gitingi kirumu.
Yes,
kabisa.
A firm foundation. Yes,
iyo ni kambuni riu
iyo ni kambuni
handito na gitingi
kirumu.
Mwirori wa Kameme TV no akigwa maundu uria makihana no akigwa ni Everco ni gitingi kirumu na ndio kio ngenda kwihocia maundu-ini maku hahangi tiga hari urerwo kiu ni gitingi wa mbere kina hinya ona gitari kirarumio giki gacoka gikarumio. Menya wega, menya kuria ungigira mbeca ciaku na makiria ethana na kambuni ũngĩhoka atĩ mbeca ciaku citikũra. Thiĩ na mbere kwĩrorera tabarĩra ya Ngundu na Uikaro mũciĩ wa Kameme TV. No nani Njũgũna wa Ng'ang'a tondũ ngwĩraga maũndũ nĩ ũrĩa we ũramenya.